So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 2nd till the 8th of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, okay, accordingly. Now let's start. Okay, Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Seven of Wands. Someone is feeling blocked in the situation in some way. Either you are not talking to them, or you have blocked them, or there is certain kind of miscommunication or miscommunication happening, misunderstanding maybe. Yeah, let's clarify the Seven of Wands. Someone is certainly feeling blocked in the situation. We have the Eight of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Magician. Someone is manifesting communication, back-to-back communication, and a lot of communication, back and forth communication in the situation, so that you guys can clear the air between you and them. So someone is in this mode of, I should have a proper communication with Aquarius, maybe a proper closure between you and them. But they're manifesting a proper communication, back and forth communication, or removal of blockages in the communication sector between two people. This is what they're manifesting. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey, Aquarius? Ten of Swords. You feel like this is the dead end. This is the end of this chapter. There's no light at the end of the tunnel here. Okay, you seem to be done by something or someone, and you're like, I'm done. Goodbye. I don't want to talk about it. It's gone. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Swords here. We have the Fool card, the Ten of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. Wow. You just had a breakthrough in the situation very recently. You are like, this is too much to handle. This is too stressful for me to deal with. I am out of this. Goodbye. And you might have blocked this person from everywhere, and this person wants a last communication with you maybe, but they're manifesting communication strongly between you and them, and they want you to approach them for this communication, because somewhere deep down their ego is also hurt with that you are kind of gone. You are no longer chasing them or begging to them or running behind them. It's kind of making them feel uncomfortable with the idea of losing you forever. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Ten of Pentacles. Their intention is to sort it out with you, like a mature and grounded kind of energy. Maybe your families are also involved, so they, for the sake of family, maybe they want to sort it out with you, but they definitely want to have a stable kind of solution in this for the problem that you guys are facing, with the mature and adult and very sorted kind of energy. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Nine of Wands, the Queen of Wands, right? See, before giving up completely on the situation, they want to take the chance of connecting with you one more time and sort things out with you, whatever it means in your case. Sorting things out sometimes mean just having a proper closure. Sorting things out sometimes mean that you guys are coexisting on this planet Earth, and you just don't think negative about each other. Sorting things out may be reconciliation as well. Take it how it resonates with you according to your case. You know better than me that what this person actually wanted from you, right? But they definitely want to have a mature and adult communication where both of you are sorting it out with each other at some point of time. This is what they want. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Seven of Swords. You just want to get some kind of truth to be revealed, either from your side or you know something about them. You want them to reveal it to you. Whatever it is, you just want to shed a light on some kind of truth, and you need that truth to be revealed, to come out in the light. It could be yours, it could be theirs, it could be a mutual secret or something. I don't know, but you definitely want something to come out. Yeah, see, you want to clear the air with this particular person regarding their status, regarding whether they're single, they were committed to somebody else when they met you, or they were like playing with you, or something like that. This is kind of your wish fulfillment to reveal something about this person's status. Maybe financial status, maybe the status of singlehood or relationship or whatever. But you want to clear this confusion. You definitely want this to be revealed in the open. This is kind of your wish fulfillment and secret desire to reveal something about this particular person, maybe about their sexuality, about something about their sexuality, maybe. I don't know. You know it better than me, right, honey? Let's see what's coming towards it till the 8th of December. Four of Pentacles. So someone holding back, someone still holding on to this idea of someone, wow, still holding on to this idea of maybe some other day, but not doing anything about it. Energetically holding on to you, energetically holding on to this idea of connecting with you someday, but not doing anything much about it. Let me clarify the Four of Pentacles. So the secret that you want to be revealed is not going to be revealed till this point. Wow, we have the Seven of Swords, the Five of Wands, the Seven of Wands, right? See, whatever deception, chaos, conflict that you guys are holding on to, the situation is going to be the exactly same as it is. There is no change whatsoever in the situation. But energetically, I do see somebody's obsession increasing with each passing day, that they want to sort it out. They want to sort it out. I want to sort it out. I want to sort it out. With Aquarius, it's important. It's important. It's important. Wow. One of you is dying to get something revealed about the other person here, so that they will be able to let it go completely, so that they will be able to come out of this chaos and confusion that they're continuously living in, so that they can be at peace. Wow, quite heavy. Now it's heavy. But guess what? It's not happening till this point of time, until unless somebody is going to take a drastic step of doing this forcibly. Yeah. So guidance for you guys, Nine of Swords. Instead of losing your sleep over this situation, try to sort it out with the other person. If it is not possible to sort it out with the other person, you have to find your own closure within yourself, and you have to be peace with the situation, that it is what it is. You can't change it. Sometimes we have to let go of certain people and situations and things out of our life because we can't change them. But guess what? We can change ourselves. We can change our own energies. Like, we can heal ourselves. We can be in the acceptance factor. Healing is nothing but acceptance over the fact that something is what it is and someone is who they are. Acceptance, accepting the reality, accepting the situation, accepting the whole dynamic for what it is and for who it is, for who they are, instead of living in some kind of pain or illusions or delusions. Once we are in the acceptance situation, once we are accepting the fact that somebody's like this only, we can't change them, all we can do is change ourselves and heal ourselves. Heal your part in the situation, right? Heal yourself and move on. Keep moving ahead. Don't wait for the situation to drastically or miraculously change or come in your favor. The more you are going to be obsessed with this idea of wanting something to work out in your favor, the more it's going to go against you. Trust me. So surrender, letting go, and detachment. Power of detachment is the most powerful thing that you can do for for yourself, that you can practice in your life, day to day life. I am doing this from quite a long time now, but still at this point, after the age of 35, I learned how to really do that. Now I'm in the detachment mode for everything and everyone, and I'm kind of enjoying my life to the fullest. You can also do that. Everybody can do that. Every fucking body, right? We're talking about normal humans with normal conditions and everything like that, right? So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.